Jo Cordell Cooper here, Jo CC Holistic PT. So what is holistic personal training? Well, first and foremost, it's really about you. So it's a really unique process in which we get the weight and the movements right for you so that you are fit, strong and healthy moving forward from day one. We do a full assessment of your whole body, your skeleton and the way you move, and make sure we get everything right from the start. So that's what you'll get when you're coming through the door here. As managing stress is absolutely key to being a healthy and happy human, we'll be helping you with that as well. In terms of your workout, you'll never find the workout so intense that it's smashing you down. Our workouts are designed to lift you up, so by the end of the session, you're feeling energized, that you feel amazing, that you feel confident. We don't want you lifting stuff that's so heavy that you end up broken and injured. That's not what we're about at all. It's about progressive improvement, no injuries, and getting it right from day one. If you'd like a home program, I'll design one that's perfect just for you and the gear that you have in your own home or body weight, whatever it is that you need. I'll also provide access to a library of more mainstream workouts that are going to suit you, but also maybe your kids and your family can join in as well because they're simple and easy to do and fun to join in. So that's available for you too, no extra charge. In addition to personal training, you might like to join our nutrition program, Eating for Energy and Zing, our core program or our hiking fitness program. Hey, reach out, make contact, jo@jocc.com.au.